I'm asleep. And now we have my morning yoga routine. Okay, let's start. Stay now on your position. And up your feet. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4. Okay, from here, 1, knee down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, and go. Stay your leg forward on lunge. And back, and other leg lunge. The same. So good. Great. Go more down, and from here, with around the back, leg on the floor. And from here up, forward, down, stay on your knee. Lay down, and sit just on your feet, little bit relaxed in this position. Great. And I stand up. And have just exercise for your neck. Great. Congratulations, my friends. That's it of my yoga routine. Subscribe to my channel and see you here every day. Bye.